So pretty much everything on my drones just stopped recording. As I was messing with the balance of the auto exposure, it couldn't keep up. So I'm like not really messing with anything. I'm gonna balance it out. Let's see. So I don't want the camera to start messing up again. So I'm trying to get the best focus where you can see the mountains and pretty much. My drone battery's at 23%. My controller battery's at 80%. Like I said, don't know if the last recording called it. My drone battery's about to return to home anyway. Mad traffic. Let's look at this traffic. Highway's not packed, but this road is packed. 21%. Let's bring it down a little bit. The highway not packed at all, but the road is packed. Well, coming off the highway, if you look right there, it is a lot of traffic coming off the highway. 19%. Raise my gimbal back up. Don't worry, I got 2 more batteries sitting in my bag. See the mountains in the background. Pan this way. I'm gonna do like a full pan around. Just hope it doesn't cut out. I'm not touching any of the controls. Keeping it at 300 feet. At 15% now. I'm gonna bring the camera a little bit above Walmart. I don't like getting Walmart on my film. I just want to record the horizon. Really, that's it. 13%. Definitely hear the. See, bounce it out a little bit. Right. Okay. 2 minutes before landing. See the clouds up here, like I said, it's dark. That's with that ND filter. It cancels out all the light. And you can see the sun right there. So 9%. Alright, returning to home. See how close it gets. Kind of kept it dark. Wow. Look at that. It landed right here. Actually, 7% left. And I can show you how far it landed above the landing pad. Landed right there. Like literally, that's not bad. Landed, just I hold it down. I'll bring the gimbal back up before the camera cuts off. So to land it, and I can actually focus the camera. So to land it, if you're landing auto return home and then it hovers right in front of you, I got it hovering at 3 feet exactly. If it's hovering about at 3 feet, you can actually hold down on the left controller part, and it will literally land itself. If you're still up in the air or anything, like it will land itself. So that's what I did. It's so cold out here. My battery's at 5%. Let's see, I'm stopping the film now, and I'm gonna change out batteries.